Let's now install the GitHub Copilot. This guy here, GitHub Copilot. So we are about to install this guy. Important to mention, as I already said, there is pricing for GitHub Copilot. You can have a free version. It's saying that you have a five agent made your chat response. You have this 2000 completions per month. So it's monthly. So it's very tricky. If you want to do like very basic things, that's fine. If not, if you want to do something more, it's not that easy. And there is the paid one that it's $10 monthly, only the Pro and also the Pro Max. They are even explaining what you have like as a difference of using them. How to install the Copilot, how to use Copilot actually. As I said, Copilot is an extension, so we usually, as a software engineers, we like to use on this VS Code. So I recommend you first to download and install VS Code. I already have here install, so it's here. Then later you need to install Copilot as an extension. So for that you click here in this box on your left and you type GitHub Copilot. And then you will have like these extensions here. Let me open more Copilot and Copilot Chat. Once you click to install this one, the chat also will install as well. So it's installed very fast. You can click like here already. I don't have like a project yet running on this editor. But once I install, it will appear here. This guy on this corner and this guy here, they are the GitHub Copilot. Here is the chat one, so I can click to toggle the chat. And then I can ask to create something very basic for me. I can type like at workspace /new. And I can say, for example, here it's saying like scaffold a code that you want. I can say create a Python script that converts dollars to euro based on the input of the user. It's very simple. Let's see what will going to happen. So, and then it's saying like, sure, it created a converter.py, some requirements and some readme. So then we can click like create workspace. It will ask to us which folder you want to set as a parent for your workspace. I'm clicking this my folder that I created dev, but you can create like in documents. And then it's generating the code for me. So once you generate it, will appear to you this, and then it will create the code. So we have the README file. It's just a file where it's explaining about this project. So dollar to euro converter. This project provides a simple command line tool. It's explaining that there is a converter.py and requirements.py. It's showing also how I install the requirements and how I use it. So here it's the code that I have. I have this function main where I basically input the value, it converts based on this exchange rate that it's hard coded here. And then that's it. It created for me basically the simple file, like a simple Python script. So I can, for example, run it. So I can come here to the terminal and basically like type Python 3 and converter.py. So enter the amount in dollars, $200, $200 equivalent to 170 or so. That's it. I basically just install it and I'm able already to run. So With Copilot, I can do much more things than just create the simple scaffolding here in Python. I can, for example, come back to here and say something like workspace instead of having exchange hard coded on converter.py. I want to have this in a configuration file where I can change. So let's see. Then it's saying that you can create a file config.json to store exchange rate. So it's showing like this how to I create it. I can kind of click here. It will open this option to new file config.json. And then I created already. I just save it. And here it's saying like update the converter py script to read the exchange file from config.js. So there is this function that opens this file and get the value from there. I can, instead of only go through here and try to update the tail line, I can also click here to apply it on the converter. So it's checking the change and applying everything here on my code. So it's doing the work. You can just wait a little bit and let's see. So you see it's changing for us the code. And then it's showing the changes, like everything green, it's a change. And what is in red, it's what it's removing. So it's removing this hard coded, adding this and this. I can or click keep, it will keep everything, or go by each block of line that it's asking to me. I can click here, I accepted this part. I can accept it here or hold back. So I'm accepting. So that's right. I can save and then run it again. Amount in dollars, 200. So 170, the output is the same. So, but for example, I can change the exchange from here, the rate. The rate now it's crazy. I change it to 85 to let consider that Trump is doing even worse with the tariffs, and then the exchange will be better for euro. So I can do this. Then I put $200 will be 130 euros. So dollar is losing a lot for euro because of Trump's rates. Not my problem. He's doing that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So we install Copilot. We are using the Copilot chat to create our code from scratch, also to start to add something in our code.